Can you add a GIF as your Instagram profile picture? Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shamila, and in today's video, we'll be discussing whether it's possible to use a GIF as your Instagram profile picture and what alternatives you have. Before we get started, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Let's jump right in. To start, ensure you're running the latest version of Instagram. 1. Open the Google Play Store, Android, or App Store, iOS. 2. Search for Instagram in the search bar. 3. If you see an update button, tap on it to install the latest version. If the app is already up to date, simply open Instagram and log into your account. Once you're logged in, here's how to navigate to your profile. 1. Tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner. 2. On your profile page, tap on Edit Profile just below your bio. In the Edit Profile section, you'll find the option to update your profile picture. Here's the short answer: Instagram does not currently support GIFs or videos as profile pictures. You can only upload static images from your gallery or take a photo directly through the app. However, if you want to showcase a specific frame from a GIF, here's a workaround. 1. Open the GIF you want to use and take a screenshot of your favorite frame. 2. Save it to your gallery. 3. Upload this screenshot as your new profile picture by selecting it in the Edit Profile section. While it won't animate like a GIF, it still lets you showcase the image you like. And that's it. Now you know that while GIFs aren't supported as Instagram profile pictures, you can still get creative by using a still frame from your favorite GIF. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more useful tips and tricks. Got questions or other topics you want me to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.